Welcome to a preview of what you'll experience in Nureva's full 15-minute live demo. We'll take you through a bunch of scenarios that our customers ask us about so that you can hear how our systems perform. First, you'll see how we handle typical talk. Typical talkers always come through loud and clear. Next is one that happens a lot in meetings or classes, soft talk. With Nureva, you can even whisper and still be heard. The next situation can be a tough one for some systems. It's called crosstalk. With some mics, talkers could cut each other off, but with us, they can both be heard. Here's one that can challenge traditional systems, blocked talk. Being heard behind obstacles can be tricky, but with Nureva, you don't miss a word. Now, just for fun, you'll see what it's like when someone does what we call wall talk. No problem. She can be heard by remote participants because there's a virtual mic right there to pick her up. And what can you do in our live demo? Ask questions, suggest other scenarios, or just kick back, and signing up is a breeze. So you've seen the preview, now why not get the actual demo?